Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. So today we have a haul, but before we get into the haul, I do want to thank Sephora at Kohl's for sponsoring this portion of today's video. A lot of people don't even realize that Sephora is at Kohl's. There's actually been quite a few times that I've shopped Sephora at Kohl's and been able to find products that I hadn't been able to find anywhere else. They do have the added convenience of buy online, shop in store, as well as order and get shipped straight to your front door. So if there's a Kohl's near you, find out if there's a Sephora at your local Kohl's. And everything that I use or mention in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. And let's get right into the haul. First up, we have something by Fenty, brand new body butter. If you guys hadn't tried the Fenty body butters, they are amazing, super hydrating, and they smell great. Okay, there's a new scent out. This one is called Amber Bouquet. I've tried it before, loved it so much I had to get another one. So here's the one I've been using so far. So good, y'all. It is a floral scent, but to me the floral is soft. So if you're not a floral lover, you might still like this one. It gives clean, fresh, a little ambery, a little florally, and it has that same really emollient, thick, hydrating formula as all the other body butters, girl. Leaves a nice shine. They actually turn into oils. Once you emulsify it on your skin, it actually turns into an oil, but so fresh and good. So this would be good with your floral fragrances, or good to layer with your vanilla fragrances or anything with a little bit of amber in it. Next up is an eyeshadow palette from Rare Beauty. I've never tried Rare Beauty eyeshadows before, and this is a good one, y'all. I couldn't help but to swatch them already. If you're an eyeshadow lover, you're gonna adore the formula straight off the bat. So I've already used it a couple times and it is phenomenal. Like, this is one of those buttery smooth formulas where the mattes are just as great as the shimmers. So we're definitely going to try this out today. Next is a new shade of the Fenty Gloss Bomb Stix, and this is a deeper one, completely different from any of the other shades in the formula that I've tried. This one's in the shade Sweet Whiskey, and it's a really dark one, but I think it's going to be perfect for like fall, winter, a sultry sort of date night vampy look. Look at that. So we're definitely going to try this on with today's look. If you're not new here, you know I vouch for a good Sephora Collection Pro brush, and they've launched a new brush, which is the number 30. So we'll be trying this out today. It's one of those paintbrush like makeup brushes, but the shape of it makes it really different and unique. Makes it a lot easier to get in like the curves and angles of your face. And I think it blends a little better than the typical paintbrush type foundation brushes. So we're gonna try this one out today. And last, I picked up one of Sephora favorites, lip kits, and it comes with 4 full-size items. So I thought that was a great deal because it's $39 and all of the products separately is around $100 or $110, I want to say. So it comes with a full-size Summer Fridays lip oil. This one is in the shade Warm Beige. Also comes with a full size of one of Makeup by Mario's Super Shine lip glosses, and this one's in the shade Bear. Also comes with a full size of one of Rare Beauty's lip liners, which I've never tried Rare Beauty's lip liners before, and this one's in the shade Wise, on the light side, but it can definitely work for me. So this will be really pretty with like a light pink or like an ultra nude lippy. So we're gonna test this out today. And then it comes with a full size of a Fenty lip liner. This one's in the shade Extra Thigh, and this one is Extra Thigh from Fenty. And we have 2 travel size lippies. One's from Tarte. It's the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, and that's what that one looks like. Last is another travel size lip balm from Patrick Ta, and this one is called Pink Salted Caramel, and that's what that one looks like. So definitely be sure to check out your local Sephora at Kohl's. And again, huge thank you to Sephora at Kohl's for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So Westman Atelier recently launched a new foundation. It's the Supreme Bio Complex Liquid Foundation, and I picked up the shade D1. This is a little deep for me, y'all. The original stick foundation from Westman Atelier, the shade I wear, is a little deep for me as well. Similar to that one, the shade one shade lighter than this is obviously too light for me. So this is the closest and I can make it work. So let's go ahead and try it out. Starting off with one pump. One pump is a little, y'all. About a medium-ish coverage. It doesn't move, so you would think it's kind of thick, but it's not, y'all. It's a thin, like serum-like texture. So let's go right in, and we're gonna go ahead and use that Sephora collection number 30 brush to blend it out. See, the color isn't too bad. Feels really smooth. Let's go right in and blend it out. It's a little warm, but it's really smooth. I think people are gonna love the way the curvature is on this brush. It really allows you to hit all the angles a lot easier than like the average like paintbrush, foundation brush for sure. So going in with Westman Atelier's bronzer duo, using the lighter shade of the two, and this one's in the shade Parfait 4. For highlighting, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever HD Full Cover Concealer in the shade 3N47. For liquid blush, I'm going to use the Fenty Shake and Play and Stop Whining. It's buildable, so you really don't have to worry about applying too much of this one. And blend that out. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it though. Not like shimmery, but it's not matte. I'm going to set with the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in the shade Ultra Pink. I am putting my concealer all over my entire lid, but with this formula, honestly, you don't have to. It's gonna show up just as pigmented as one of those formulas. Did you guys see that Rare Beauty also has a new perfume, and it's like a pear perfume. It smells really good. Her first perfume I really like too, but this one is really pretty too. The bases, her perfume bases, she has a couple more scents in her perfume bases too, which smells good too. I was like, oh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that sort of maroon shade with a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm gonna concentrate that like right in the outer area. First look I did with this eyeshadow palette, I did a complete smoky eye with this shade, and it was so pretty. Well, it was like a halo. I smoked this out on the whole entire lid, and I put one of the shimmers like right in the middle. It was really pretty. And with really dark colors, I like to just apply a little at a time and sort of build it up. That way it doesn't become too intense towards the middle. I'm gonna take this shimmery pink shade here and pop that right here using my finger. And then right in the inner corner, I'm gonna put this lighter sort of vanilla matte color. Gonna add some mascara at the top and bottom. This one's from Benefit, the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Okay, so we're gonna try a couple of different lippies and see how they look on. So the Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Wise. And this sort of reminds me of Soar from MAC, which I used to wear a lot. I used to wear Soar with Cupcake a lot years ago. It was like one of my go-to lip combos. Sort of like a Barely There mauve shade on me. And I'm gonna do Bear from Makeup by Mario. So we're gonna try the Gloss Bomb from Fenty in Sweet Whiskey. And for lip liner, I'm gonna use Cold Blooded from Fenty. It's a super dark brown, but it almost could go for black. It's so dark. Ooh, would y'all wear a color this dark? This is a lip color I would probably only wear like on a vampy date night or something like that. And I will wear a completely nude eye, like a bronzer eye type of moment. Y'all, I've got to wear this out somewhere. What would y'all wear this with? Like all black? What outfit would you wear with a lip this dark? I have got to wear this during like the fall winter season at least one time. So that's the end of this try on. I'm excited to see how the Westman Atelier foundation wears. We'll probably be using it on some upcoming videos and I'll keep you guys posted. The finish of it looks nice. Every single thing that I mentioned or used in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. And if you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.